automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service.
Why did you not go off?
The test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast is to notice. Selectees will just cover any given location. This variability is probably more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. So even though you're using a good quality receiver in perfect working order, the warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties in northern New Jersey, southeast New York State, and northeast Pennsylvania in New Jersey, Bergen, Essex, Hunterdon, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren. In Pennsylvania, Monroe, Northampton, Pike, and Wayne. And in New York, Orange, Rockland, and Sullivan. This concludes the weekly Test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KZZ31 in Hamburg, New Jersey. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Here is the regional weather forecast. For northwest New Jersey, freeze watch in effect from late tonight through Thursday morning. Rest of today, partly sunny. Isolated showers late this morning, then scattered showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms this afternoon. Highs in the mid-60s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Seas 1 foot or